Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Kunhun Menteri Jangka Sarkar Jilla Hakakat Santrik Lalingkot Arajar Arposan Ka Mynjur ka Meghalaya School Service Rule Arajar Arposan Knaun Plelat Nonghikai ka Shakri Haki Lower Primary School Barki Assistant Teacher Kinyola ban Kyrdan. Menteri Rangba ka Jilla Konrak ke Sangma ule thu baga Kunhun Menteri Kalaya Theria Tai Hakabede baga jing thau yigi state rule ban perking yigi jing serious analysis fees nagabenta ban bishar banya yigi case prepare daga Directorate of Forensic Science ka bahap hapo ka jing kmi jakatrat kampo ye ka Sarkar Jilla.
For the approval of the Meghalaya School Service Rules 2025. This basically has been done because in the past service rules there was very less scope for promotion when it came to the LP school teachers and assistant teachers, and they would be stuck in a certain position for many years, and there were limited scope for promotion, which also created a bit of conflict between different sections in the education department. And hence, after deep consultation with different associations, the education department has today amended the rules. As I said, this is the Meghalaya School Service Rules 2025, and this is going to pave way for a better scope of promotion when it comes to government LP school teachers.